This 2024 Forest River Wildwood 28 DBUD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 29 feet 10 inches in length and features a Capri interior, sleeps 10, Slideout, microwave, Skylight, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, oven, self-contained, smoke detector, TV antenna, spare tire kit, and 39 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Wildwood 28 DBUD is 5,847 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.